Now look at how pretty this looks.
Hello mak. Apa ni mak guna bawang putih. Tak apa lah. Now I'm cooking some chicken. Yeah, love you too, bye. So I don't have any garlic. In the previous video, I'm not sure how previous it is, I mentioned I'm gonna share my Korean spicy chicken, at least my version. The Bujang version. Yeah, I bought this chicken just now. Ginger, I just need this much. So I will cut this in half. Some spring onion. And that's for the aromatic part. The thing is, I don't have any garlic. Turns out the other day my parent came here and my mom had used all the garlic. The key ingredient today is this gochujang. Well, in here there's supposed to be some garlic. Gochujang is like chili paste. For Malaysian, it's similar to chili blend, the one that our mom used to make, but this one is Korean version. I'm gonna start with the aromatic stuff. Let's start with some ginger. This much is great. Loads of spring onion. This will give a really kind of like fragrant taste. As you can see, I don't have a really great knife skills. I'm not to brag, but people do compliment my cooking. And then dump all the spring onion to the chicken. Next, I'm gonna add 2.5 probably tablespoon of this. Look at this. 2.5 tablespoon. Some soy sauce. A dash of this sesame oil. So I don't really cook that often, mainly because there are a bunch of work needs to be done. But every now and then, it's really important for us to have a home cooked meal. One thing, because it's safe, and you know that it will be clean because you're the one who cook it, you know. And I have the packed kimchi here, and then carefully place in a container so that I can eat it later. So what I'm having right now is, I'm not sure you can see it, and it's really nice. Because we're roasting the chicken in the oven, the skin tends to get so crispy, and the gochujang sauce is really nice. You can taste all deep flavor of umami, a sweet, sour, savory kind of taste. And this is kind of like a fusion of Malay and Korean cooking, I guess. And this is like how they say it. This is masakan Bujang, orang kata, because I live alone. So this is a loner food, I guess, not stoner food. But I guess that's about it for this video. This is my first cooking video for this channel. I'm pretty sure that I'm not doing it right. But then again, this is a really good recipe, guys. You guys should try this at home. And yeah, probably I'm gonna share any other recipes that I know. No, the Korean always use this as their reaction. Wow. Chincha! And that's it from me, guys. Another day, another video. Thank you so much for watching.